Souvenir de l'exposition.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Des Roulette and I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing Amazon haul for you today. Kate and myself decided to book a trip to go and see Ashley in Michigan for the first time ever, and we leave next Thursday, which is a week from tomorrow. So I don't go out very often in the summer. I don't do very well in the heat, and I don't have very many summer clothes. And I even remember that I had some stuff last year that I was wearing. Like I had one of those big long t-shirt dresses that I really loved. It was like super light and comfortable and it looked really cute. And I have no idea where it is. Like it just dawned on me that I literally have not been able to find this article of clothing, as well as another dress that I'd purchased around the same time. They just disappeared into thin air. I have no idea where they are. I checked everywhere in my house, and I had them in my new house. It's not something that I had before I moved, and then it happens that you like pack it and you never unpack it, and then it's just gone, because that's happened with a lot of my other things. So I honestly have no idea where it is. It's not by the laundry, it's not packed away somewhere, it's not hanging on some random shelf, it's not in the guest room, not in any of my suitcases or travel bags. Sometimes I'll pack a bag for travel and then I'll come home and I'll just like set it down, or I'll just take a couple of the important things out of it and like leave a few other items behind, and which it seems lazy, and it probably is, but sometimes it helps me to find stuff. Like if I know it's something that I would have traveled with, then it'll be easier for me to know where to look. I just took my chewable vitamins. Anyway, but yeah, so I checked my travel bags and my suitcases and I couldn't find it anywhere. Long story short, I knew I had to get some stuff that I could travel with, even like sunglasses and like a smaller like purse, because I'm not checking a bag. I'm only bringing one personal item, being my purse, and one airplane bag, which is like your bag that's small enough to fit underneath the seat in front of you. And so because of that, like I didn't want to bring like my big gigantic normal purse. We're only going to be there for a few days and we're probably only going to go out twice, and I wear leggings everywhere anyway because jeans don't fit me. So I decided to do a quick little search on Amazon over the weekend to find some summery things that I'd either seen recommended before or that I came across and thought would be really easy, lightweight, and sensible for my trip. And my boxes just got here. Haven't even opened them yet. Figured I wanted to do that on camera with you guys so that I can put the links in the description box below in case you see anything that you really like, because today's July 10th. I plan on uploading this quickly. I hate when I come across a video and it turns out that it's really old. Like an Amazon haul will be recommended to me in my YouTube, and then it'll be like a year old or 6 months old, and then I go and I try to click the links to shop and everything's gone. Like the pages are all expired or everything is sold out. So I wanted to get this up quickly so that if you see anything you like, you'll be able to look it up and see if you want it. So got my scissors. I know my sunglasses aren't going to be here until tomorrow, I think it was. Okay, so this is my purse. I'm so excited about this bag. Actually, I think that this bag alone is what really inspired me to do this video, because when I found this on Amazon, I was blown away and I was completely shocked that it was so cute and affordable, and like on Amazon Prime 2-day shipping, and also had free returns in case it comes not looking to be what I expect it to be, and then I can send it back. Greatest thing ever. So this is packaged really nicely. So there's a multitude of different colors in this bag, and I wanted to get it in clear, but the clear option was not included in Prime right now for whatever reason. They were all $29.99. Every color of these bags were $29.99 for the large version, which is what I purchased, and then there's a small version which I think was $20 or $24.99, somewhere in that range. Because the white was not available, I was between green, yellow, or orange, and I went with orange. Okay, look at how devastatingly cute this bag is. And do you know what this says? Un voyage au pays des merveilles, which means a trip to Wonderland. How freaking cute is that? Franking. And this little piece up here, Souvenir de l'exposition 1998, Memory of the Exhibition 1998, which obviously it is not 1998, it is 2019, but I just think it's the cutest thing that this is referencing travel because that's what I'm using it for. Maybe that's partially why I was inspired to purchase it. It has this little locking mechanism here where you can pull open these little flaps, and that's how you open the bag. And this is the inside. Obviously there's some packaging in here too. It does have a crossbody strap as well that you can connect to the sides of the handle. And this bag is still kind of small. I mean, this was considered the large version on the website because you could only choose between small and large. Small was about, I think the small took up about this portion here. So that's more of like a wallet size. It'd be harder to travel with. But this I'm planning on taking on the plane with me. I can put my wallet inside, my cell phone, my headphones, you know, little things like that. I fit like a little hairbrush or something. And it's just so cute. One of the things that I saw people mentioning in the reviews was that they weren't satisfied with the length of the crossbody handle. And even just taking it out of the packaging now, I can see that it does seem a little bit short. So what I'm gonna do is connect it to the bag. And when I try some things on to show you, I will model the bag as well so you can see how long the straps, or how long or short the strap is. Me being as big as I am, I would need probably a longer strap myself. Somebody who's more average size or normal size probably doesn't have to worry about that. But anyway, I wanted to show you, and that's just so cute. And I'll put some things inside as well and show you what it looks like because it is see-through. So I want you to be able to have a reference of what it looks like once there's actually items inside of it. Okay, so that's actually all that was in box number 1. So I ordered a bunch of stuff, and I think that some of it is coming in separate packaging. So I know a little bit of what's going to be in these, but I don't know all of what's going to be here. Okay, I'm going to lay these all out in front of me. Oh, and I got a phone case too. I've had this pink phone case and I thought it was a little too big. I like it because it's like really rubbery and soft. So let's try that on right now. It has like some gold marbling intertwined. And I think everything that I bought has free returns because buying online is such a risk. You never know what it's actually going to look like when it shows up. It could be completely different. It could be the wrong size. Oh no, see, this is too big.
Be the wrong size.
This is one of those items that I will be sending back.
I will remember you.
Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, I think this is my wallet. I don't normally recommend buying knockoff designer items, but I saw this on Amazon and I thought about my orange purse and I just had to have it. So this is a wallet, and what I really fell in love with about it is that it has this little hot pink detail on the front and inside. Let me take care of this. Oh, honey. But I just fell in love with the fact that this had a hot pink detail on the inside. I always hated pink my whole life. I only started liking pink recently now. So this is obviously imitation leather, which is fine because I didn't expect it to be, and I only really plan on using it like for travel and things like that. Rarely, occasionally, or maybe just with my orange purse. But it is cute, and it comes in this hard cardboard box, which I love because I can store it in this box. Okay, I also got this t-shirt, and normally I don't wear really any colors. I stick with neutrals. Mostly wear just a lot of black. I also will sometimes wear white or touches of white, typically with something over it or like a sweatshirt tied around my waist. With jeans or leggings, like navy blue or gray would be the extent of colors that I normally get. But I saw this shirt on another YouTuber's clothing haul page and I just loved it. And I ended up getting this mustard color just because it felt the most summery to me without being possibly sheer. It's definitely not all cotton. I can feel some stretch in there. Let's see what this is. 80% polyester, 10% spandex, and 10% cotton. I also got some kimonos. I figured I was gonna buy a black one with a pattern and a white one with a floral pattern. Because I wear leggings so much and I don't like to wear shirts that could expose my butt or my upper thighs, I decided I would get some really lightweight kimonos, like almost like beach wear, so that I could cover up, or if I'm just wearing black leggings and a black tank top, I can throw on a kimono and all of a sudden it goes from being like a house outfit to an acceptable going out outfit. And then I also got like this dress type thing. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this at all. This could be horrible. But for today, that's it. That's everything that was in my box. Oh, I also bought these sandals. These sandals came yesterday. The view on my camera actually isn't large enough for me to show those to you on my feet, but I will put a picture in. They're so cute. That's another reason I got the mustard shirt. Thought mustard shirt with maybe some dark denim blue jeans cuffed at the bottom with those little sandals. So cute. And they were like $20. It was a good deal. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Don't eat those. Oh no, babe, spit that out.